Good morning, everyone. I'm Nernel Fortuna from Science, Technology, and Society G285. Today, I'm going to discuss the visionary scientist. Do you know who helped many Filipinos see again?
Gimignano de Ocampo was born on September 16, 1907 in Malolos, Bulacan. He was smart and hardworking student. He studied medicine at the University of the Philippines. He is an ophthalmologist, scientist, and educator. Becoming a doctor was not easy during his time. The Philippines did not have advanced eye care, but Dr. De Ocampo wanted to help, so he studied abroad and brought back new knowledge. Dr. De Ocampo did the first corneal transplant in the Philippines. This surgery helps blind people to see again. He also invented a special tool for eye surgery, making operations safer and more precise. To help even more, he helped start the Philippine Eye Bank, where corneas are stored for patients who need them. He also wrote books and trained new eye doctors so his knowledge could be passed to our future generations. Because of Dr. De Ocampo, eye care in the Philippines improved. His work has helped thousands of people to see again. He received many awards including the National Science of the Philippines in 1982. This is the highest honor of Filipino scientists. Dr. De Ocampo believed that science should help people. He worked hard to make eye care center better in the Philippines. His story teaches us that hard work and learning can change lives. To be concluded, Dr. Gimignano de Ocampo work still helps people today. He showed us that science and medicine can make life better. Let's remember his contributions and appreciate the importance of science in our lives.